Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a landing page in WordPress. First, you'll want to select a powerful landing page plugin. Tools like Elementor or SeedProd offer robust features and a user-friendly drag-and-drop interface. This choice is crucial for streamlining your design process and achieving professional results without needing to write any code. It makes building effective pages much simpler. Once your plugin is installed, navigate to Pages and click Add New. Then, launch your landing page builder. You can either pick a pre-made template to get a head start or begin with a blank canvas for full creative control. Focus on customizing your content, images, and the all-important call to action to guide your visitors. To maximize your landing page's effectiveness, focus on conversion optimization. Make sure your page loads quickly, ideally in under 2 seconds, to keep visitors engaged. Craft clear, benefit-driven headlines and compelling copy. Your call to action button should be prominent and persuasive, encouraging visitors to take the next step. /B testing is key to continuous improvement. After perfecting your design and content, it's time to publish your landing page. Don't forget to integrate analytics tools, such as Google Analytics, to track its performance. Monitor key metrics like conversion rates, bounce rates, and time on page. Use this valuable data to make informed decisions and continuously refine your landing page for even better results over time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.